ito ang mag-expire na yung mga US tax natin. So ako, nakatanggap ako nitong required needed. Action needed, your US tax form will expire at the end of 2024. Resubmit it in AdSense as soon as possible to make sure that accurate withholding taxes are applied. So, resubmit tax info. So, i-click natin to. I-click ko lang tong resubmit tax info. Tapos, mapupunta ako dito. Submitting your US tax into info to Google. Make sure you submit a tax form and, if eligible, claim a tax treaty benefits by December 10th each year. Monetization creators should check and update their tax info in AdSense for YouTube each year. Mag-expire ito until December 10. Make sure we got your tax info. Double check that your tax form status is green approved in AdSense for YouTube. So, kailangan na magiging green yung YouTube talaga. So, ito na yung kung paano. You can follow the instructions below to submit your US tax info to Google. Note that you may be asked to resubmit tax info every 3 years. Ito pala ang pagsasubmit ng ating tax info ay every 3 years pala ito. So, ngayon 2024, mag-aano tayo, so mag 2027, mag-i-expire na rin yung ating tax info. Ito yung guide niya. Magsa-sign in lang tayo sa Google AdSense. I-click lang natin ang payments. Punta tayo ng payments info. Manage settings at ito. So, i-click lang natin ito. Ayan na. At i-click lang natin yung 3 lines dito sa taas. Tapos, i-click natin itong payments. Click natin yung payments info. Click lang natin itong punta lang tayo sa Philippines. Tapos punta tayo dito sa manage settings. Ayan, tapos hanapin natin ang United Tax Info. Pero kung magpapalit tayo ng ating address, anuhin lang natin yung ating address. But make sure na kung magpalit tayo ng ating address ay kapareha doon sa ang address lahat. Ayan na, at saka pinalitan ko na yung aking address dyan. Dito tayo sa Manage Tax Info. I-click natin ang Submit New Form. If you start a new form, your previously submitted form will be removed. Start new form. Before you start, plan on taking 15 to 15 minutes to keep your account secure. Will need to verify that it's you. So, mag-start new form. I-check lang natin individual. Tapos, next lang natin. Are you citizen or resident of the United States? No. Next. I-fill up lang natin to. Select W8 tax type based on your previously selected answers at W8 form is needed. Mag-fill up tayo ng ating permanent residence address. Ang ating country ay Philippines. Make sure that this information is exactly as same as on your tax documents and that the form is signed by an authorized representative of this. Check nyo lang ito kung tama ba ang inyong address, ang inyong postal address, ang inyong mailing address or permanent address. Are you claiming a reduced rate of withholding under a tax treaty? I put no, and then next. This the perform and any activities and services for Google within the US or do they expect on in the future? I put no. I certify that the services provided to Google or its affiliates will be performed outside the US and that labor or capital. I certify. I accept the paperless delivery agreement. Get documents by post. Form W8 bin default. I confirm that I have reviewed the generated tax documents to the best of my knowledge and believe they are true, correct, and complete. Ayan na. I-check lang natin ito. And then, certify and sign. Click lang natin ang next. At ayan na, your tax info has been accepted. Yay!